Hello all, I am Naveenkumar Nagipogu. I welcome you all. Here is an excellent opportunity for the people who want to start their career in the BIM field. Here the company Virtual Design Engineering Consultant is looking for the BIM engineers. That too they mentioned particularly the freshers. The reason is Hyderabad, Telangana. The job will be on site. You can contact him. I will provide this link in the description. And about the job, it is about the BIM engineer's mechanical and electrical background. We are looking for young, dynamic BIM engineers, fresh graduates to join our team at our Hyderabad office. Wow, they have number of vacancies 6, and the job description follows: Revit, MEP, Navisworks, AutoCAD, and well versed with BIM standards. And you can send the CV to info@vdaengine.com. It's okay. And as far as a concern, yeah, this opportunity is good only, but uh, from the fresher, I don't know who can expect the proficiency. You can have some knowledge, but don't know about the proficiency. It's okay. And if you are familiar with the AutoCAD, Revit, and Navisworks, then you can apply for this post. I'm damn sure you will get it. And I will provide this application link in the description also. Thank you.